Ciama kia ARIGITANI GIKIRO-INI gia clinical officers, aruti wira GIKIRO-INI kia NATHI, aruti wira GIKIRO-INI gia KUHEANA motungata ma laboratory ni amwe gatagati-ini ga ciama 8 aria marutite mukana wa kuiga mirothi muthi wa kana ga kiumia giki. Mateta ma aruti wira aya ni kwaga gukinyanirio gwa CIIRANIRO cia thirikari iria ni hamwe na wandikani wa arigitani 20,000 magitariria ati motungata ma ugima wa mwiri makoretwo makiaga gukinyanira na njira iria yagiriire kurumirira namba nini ya arigitani mathibitari-ini.
We haven't seen any efforts towards the finalization of these collective bargaining agreements. We also note that this unresponsiveness has been the norm and a great saboteur to the harmonious working relationship between unions, Ministry of Health and counties.
Hamwe noguo ciama ici ciuritie thirikari cia kaunti gukorwo ikihe wira aruti wira aria makoretwo rungu rwa kandarathi niguo kunina wagagu uria makoretwo naguo wigimaine na kweruhio kwa marua ma kandarathi.
The county should consider absorbing all health workers who now face imminent dismissal to ensure uninterrupted health service delivery.
Punguza bajeti ya afya inamaanisha kuwa afya si important. Inamaanisha kuwa afya ni by the way. Na if afya ni backbone ya economy, when you cannot access safe healthcare, you cannot access quality life.
Oho mendekithitie arugamiriri ruhonge-ini rwa kuheana motungata ma kandi ya NHIF makorwo makiungania mawoni kuma kuri muingi mbere ya kuongerera marihi ma kandi ino kuona ti namba nene ya Akenya iri no hoti wa kuriha muigano uria wendekithitio.
To access health services against a background of corruption scandals bedeviling the institution. NHIF must explain to Kenyans how the enhancement of contributions will enable them to access quality services without suffering catastrophic financial harm.
Ciama ici ona gukiri uguo maugite motungata ma ugima wa mwiri marigacira riria thirikari iritikira kunyitanira na nyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ithikiririe mateta mao na oho yethe kihonia kia mathina maria magumeire ruhonge ruru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.